You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator license on person?
Sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on March 29, 22? At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charge. Tell me about you. You working?
Yes, sir. I work for a company called Prime Wheel. It's located right here in Westland.
What are they doing?
We move the wheels for pretty much the big three. You know,
Okay.
Lenses for.
Okay. Okay. How long you been there?
I just started. Yeah, I had a little situation. I'm pretty sure you see my.
Yeah.
I ended up going to jail, losing my last job.
Okay.
Got this, so I've been there for about a week now.
Is this full-time job? Good. Good. Okay. And what's the status of your license?
It's still suspended because I got so much money.
Okay. Do you owe anybody else or just us?
Well, nothing significant. There's stuff I'm paying off soon as I get.
But you're on payment plans?
Yeah, I'm paying plan.
Okay.
Then out Washington County, I got another payment plan. So.
Okay. So us, Washtenaw, and when that's all cleared up, maybe you get your license back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, the only thing that's holding me up is paying you guys.
Okay.
Pay like my clearance fee and everything.
Good. Okay. All right. And I don't have that paperwork anymore. Do you know what your balance is with us?
It's a little bit over 3,000. Cause I did a couple, it was higher than that, but I did like 6 days.
Yeah, at one point you were over $4,000.
Yeah, I did like 6 days work program.
Okay.
Like I said, I lost my job half the time.
Can you tell me what he would have to pay us for us to clear it?
I think I want to say it was like $3,006.
I mean, I'm.
For just for the clearances, let me run this record because it'll.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out how to get you cleared here before you get everything closed out with us.
Oh, okay.
All right. We got your address on Edwards. Is that a good one? Okay. All right. Are you done with the young and dumb?
Yeah.
No, I'm being.
I
I mean, you don't owe a court $4,000 unless you were doing some really stupid stuff.
No, what was happening was I was like not taking this in. You know what I mean? Like,
Young and dumb.
years ago,
Yeah, that's
So still out drinking, smoking, all that. I can't do none of that.
okay. But you're done with that. All right. So my point is, I'll take a chance on you,
Okay.
right? I'm not going to make you work off the $3,000 before we let you get your license back. Let's.
Yeah, I'm paying
All right.
now, but yeah.
All right. So while she's looking at that number, she's going to run your record so we can figure that out. Let's talk about sentencing here. Anything else you want me to know?
Okay.
All right. What's a shift at this new job?
Person.
So days. What days?
I didn't probably sometimes Saturday we rotate, but with me being new, I won't be on the Saturday for about a month. But they show us the schedule out for Saturdays 2 months in advance.
Okay.
But that's why, because like I said, I lost my job from getting incarcerated out of Washington County. That's why I did the 6 days to knock off like close to $800.
Right. Right.
Yeah. I started working again, so I wasn't able to pick up any more days after I finished those 6.
Hey, I got a guy up here that you're already working with him. He started almost over $4,000. He's done 6 days with, he's got it down to 3-ish. Just got a new job. He's working Monday through Friday. Can't work any Saturdays for at least a month. And he,
No, I would be able to now because I won't start working Saturdays for a month.
that's what I'm saying. That, yeah, on the job, you won't be working.
Okay.
In your job, you won't be working Saturdays. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. What are we doing now? We're doing 2 Saturdays a month. Are we doing any Sundays yet? Okay. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm gonna bang him out with some more work days instead of adding to his dollar amount. Okay. 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 Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Thanks. Agreed.
That's fine.
You'd rather do work days?
That's fine.
Yeah. All right. So he just said we're doing every Saturday now.
Okay,
So and you can start this Saturday. He's got spots this week.
that's fine.
He has so many no proof of insurance,
Oh.
like in all different areas. I mean, ours downstairs would be able to help him
Yeah.
with that because they can.
So here, just put in the computer that I said if he pays all his clearance fees, we'll work with him on the fines and costs. So I don't know, she don't want to take the time to add you up.
No.
That's how bad it is.
No, it's not. You know it's not. You understand.
So every one of those no proof insurance, you got to pay $45 for a clearance fee. So before you get out of here, find out what that is, and then you'll know if it's $600, it's $600, and we'll let you get your license.
Okay.
All right?
But don't forget, he has them in other courts too.
Yeah. That's just us.
Yeah, no, I know.
You know you got to deal with Washington.
This is the bulk of my tickets.
Yeah.
Like, literally the one,
Yeah.
like I said, I'm literally ready to get paid to go take care of those.
Okay. All right. So 6 days on the work program, no fines and costs. Now this 6 days is for this file. That don't get you any credit on the other money. All right. Any questions?
No.
Okay. So go down, see Avery, schedule this 6 days. Tell Avery that I made it okay for you to pay your clearance fees,
Okay,
and then he'll tell you who can tell you how much that is.
okay.
All right?
Don't call anybody else.
Okay. All right. You're all set.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.